Yo, man, that's how we doing this some real V8 boy type shit. My man about to come do some crazy shit on the front wheel drive. That all black boy already came through with the real wheel. So let's make this shit happen, baby. I gotta get the feet for this one.
His Dre sound crazy, bro. Dre, yo, bro, both of y'all Dre sound way better than mine. I gotta get my exhaust, bro. I gotta get my exhaust, bro.
It's that life in there, baby.
The pipes I'm about to get only 500. I gotta get them. Watch them purple lights, y'all, boy.
Let's see what this spin action. Oh, this.
Woo!
You gotta spin it though.
He making line.
You gotta pull the mirror out next, bro. It's only right.
Spin it, Dre.
He's scared. He's scared that wheel gonna fuck up.
Yeah, that's what he's scared of.
Videos coming soon to Facebook and Instagram near you, man.
Exactly.
That's what we doing.
On ferry, the way it's hot. We don't care about traffic.
Fuck traffic.
Woo!
Spin, boy, spin!
Woo, that shit sound crazy.
That shit lifted up crazy backwards. See that shit?
Yeah. Hold on, let me get it up.
What? Crazy. Hey. Huh? No, not that yet. You don't got real well. Let me see them things spinning, man.